Welcome to the DragonForce installation and initial login tutorial, where I'll be showing you step-by-step how to search, download, and log into DragonForce 3.5 on your mobile device. Before we begin, you need your server name, username, and password, which you would have received in an email from your DragonForce administrator. First, open the Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS. Then, type DragonForce 3.5 into the search bar. Next, tap Install. After the installation is complete, open the DragonForce application. You'll be directed to the login settings to set your server name. Type in your server name and tap the check mark to confirm. Then tap Test Connection and look for a Connection Successful response. If you see a connection failed response, please double-check the spelling of the server name to make sure it's correct. When confirmed, tap the back button to get to the login interface, where you'll type in your username and password. Your password is case sensitive, so please make sure to enter it exactly as it was shared with you. Finally, tap the login button to confirm. You've completed the DragonForce installation and initial login tutorial. For more information or to check out other tutorials, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.